What's good, everyone? We have an amazing tutorial today. I'm going to teach you how to bridge your USDC to wrapped AR. So it's a little complicated, small little process, nothing too crazy. So the first thing you want to do is go to aox.arweave.net and then click on transfer right here. Start to transfer. Select the network. You're going to click Ethereum, click USDC. Connect your MetaMask first. So I'm gonna click on my MetaMask, connect. All right, click next. I'm gonna do $80. So I'm gonna convert. So we're gonna click send to, and make sure it's on the USDC Ethereum. Put in how much amount that you want to convert. See the receiving amount. You got it. You could paste it. You could send it to an EVM wallet, but I'm gonna send it to my AR Connect. So just open up the AR Connect, click copy address, paste it right here, click next, confirm the transaction. So let's click next again. Make sure you have some Ethereum inside of your wallet, or the transaction won't go through. So this transaction fee is only $3, nothing too crazy. Click confirm. Alright, your transaction was submitted. Close extension. MetaMask should open up again. Click confirm. Should have to confirm one more time this weird looking message. I don't know what this is, but just confirm. Nothing sketchy here going on, right? So we're going to view in the Explorer, which is right there. And we're just waiting for the transactions to go through. So this takes a little minute. Last time I tried, it took about 20 minutes. So I'll be right back. All right, and we're back. I refreshed the page and it says successful. Sometimes it says wrapping right here, so that means just wait. All right, so I'm gonna check my wallet. I'm going to AR Connect. I also forgot to mention, in MetaMask, sometimes it says import token when you send over the USDC into your MetaMask. You just gotta click import token to see the USDC. Let me scroll down. All right, so we got the 85 wrapped USDC, which is perfect. So now the next website we gotta go to is bottega.arweave.net. Okay, so when you get on bottega.arweave.net, first thing you want to do is click connect wallet. Connect your Arweave, your Connect wallet. Confirm, put in your password. So I'm throwing my password in there. All right, now first thing you want to do is click on the wrapped Ethereum USDC, which is actually on Arweave, right? We're gonna do 70, and we want to convert it to wrapped AR. So each wrapped AR token is equal to $26 USDC. Right now the price of Arweave is $13.44. I guess there's like a little price difference going on here. See, the price impact is 53%, so you got to watch out for that. Just watch out. All right, and then just swap. So click swap again, sign the transaction. We are signing the transaction. Just wait for it to go through. Swap successful. Perfect. So we're going to open up our ArcConnect wallet. And in the ArcConnect wallet, as you can see, we now have some Arweave token. Wrapped Arweave. Which is good. This is what we want. So thank you all for watching, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.